Good morning and welcome to the ADS Securities Fundamentals Update. Beginning with the Asian session today, there were a few economic figures from Australia while banks were closed in China and New Zealand. Australia's retail sales rose by 0.5% in December comparing to 0.7% in November, while trade balance posted the second trade surplus in 2013 with about 468 million after revising November figures to a surplus of 83 million instead of a deficit of minus 12 million supported by weaker Aussie. Going forward to the European session today, there are a few economic releases today, beginning with a Switzerland trade balance surplus, which may rise to 2.41 billion in December, up from 2.03 billion in November. In Germany, also factory orders set to rise by 0.3% in December, comparing to 2.1% in November. However, these figures are expected to have a limited impact on the markets, as everyone will be waiting for the ECB and the BOE decisions today. The Bank of England is expected to keep interest rates and the asset purchases facility unchanged, and the decision will be released at 12 GMT. As for the ECB, markets are expecting the bank to keep the interest rates unchanged, while we believe that the ECB is likely to act by cutting the interest rate to 0.1 from 0.25, in addition to announcing an unconditional measures to fight disinflation risk as CPI eased back to record low. If the ECB left the current policy unchanged, then the rate cut in March meeting will be highly impossible. The decision will be released at 12:45 GMT, while the press conference will be held at 13:30 GMT, side by side with the announcement of the US session figures. And you can visit our website to check out our latest special reports for the ECB and the Bank of England decisions. And as for the US session today, US trade balance deficit set to rise to minus 35.8 billion in December, comparing to minus 34.3 billion in November, and jobless claims may decline slightly to 337,000 last week, comparing to or down from 348,000 the week before. In Canada, trade balance may post a surplus of 0.7 billion in December, comparing to a deficit of minus 0.9 billion in November. And finally, IVEY PMI set to rise to 51.3 in January, comparing to 46 in December. This is it for today. You can follow us on our social media sites, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to get the latest breaking news, reports, and analysis. Thank you for watching.